Yo, let's talk about the best blank tubular t-shirt on the market, in my opinion. Satin everybody, boy Big Brando, and today let's talk all about what I think is the best blank tubular t-shirt out there. That's gonna be the AS Color block shirt. In this video right here, I'm gonna go through the whole wash test with you. I've been testing this t-shirt out for a little while now, but I did want to share the wash test results with you guys because I feel like if there's somebody out there looking for a tubular t-shirt to print on, maybe they heard about this shirt or maybe they haven't, but I did want to show you what it looks like when it's brand new, what it measures like when it's brand new. Then I also want to show you what it fits like after it's been washed and what the measurements are like after it's been washed. And when I say washed, I'm talking about machine wash, machine dry. The way I do the test is I like to wash these shirts. I like to wash these shirts a few times just to make sure I know how it's going to react when it's washed in hot water, when it's machine dried on hot. We can always put the care instructions on the tags, but we have to be realistic with ourselves and understand that the customer that buys the t-shirt from you isn't going to listen to what's in the tag. I want to make sure that the t-shirt's going to hold up to all elements before I offer it to customers, and this is just a test that I go through, so I wanted to share those results with you guys. So what I did was, before I washed the shirt, I measured it out, tried it on just so you can see what it looks like, and then in this video I try it on after it's been washed, and then I also measure it out to show you how much it shrunk and stuff like that. Now let me start by saying I don't know everything about t-shirts. All I know is what I like to wear and what I like to offer my customer. For myself, if you guys been following me for a while, you know, if you went back and looked at my old videos, that I used to use the All Style 1701 t-shirt. That used to be my go-to blank t-shirt to wear and to print on. I was 100% confident in that t-shirt because I loved the way it fit. For one, I liked the collar, but I also loved the cut of that shirt and how it washed. It didn't shrink much. It shrank a little bit, but not much. Whereas the 1301 shrinks kind of funny. The collar was a little different, but it was a generic fitting t-shirt. For me, the 1701 was just a little bit better. And once they discontinued the 1701, once Gildan bought All Style, and then they rebranded the All Style t-shirts under American Apparel, they got rid of the 1701 shirt, and then they just kept selling the 1301 shirt under American Apparel. But if you've been buying the 1301, you know there's two different factories making those t-shirts, because sometimes I'll get an order in and the extra large does not look like the extra large that I bought a month ago. Color's different, the size is a little different, they're sewn a little different. There was just too many inconsistencies with that. So when that happened, I stopped using those t-shirts and I was on a quest to find new t-shirts. I did everything from using the Next Level Ideal tee, and I really liked that shirt, and they discontinued that shirt. And then from there I went to the Pro Club Comfort shirt, which was a cool shirt. The collar was just a little too big for myself, and then I fell into the Shockaware Active t-shirt. That's the t-shirt that I've been using this whole time. Once again, these are all tubular t-shirts. If you don't know what tubular means, I'm talking about the t-shirt has no seams on the side. Like under the armpit, if it's a side seam shirt, there will be a seam that goes all the way down from the hip up to the sleeve on both sides. These shirts have no seam. It's just tubular. It's solid all the way around. So I was using the Shockaware Active t-shirt for a very long time. The one thing I did not like about Shockaware is the processing time takes a very long time. You can place your order and it takes a few days for them to process it, and then a few more days to be able to go and pick the order up. And that's because Shockaware is here, located in Los Angeles. And I get it, they boomed in popularity. There's a ton of people using Shockaware t-shirts, so I get the popularity and taking a long time to process and stuff like that, just the nature of the game. The other thing I didn't like was there was like weird minimums that you had to meet to actually order with Shockaware. So like with their jackets and hoodies and stuff, you would have to order by the threes. So it'd be same size, same color, but you would have to order it in threes. You couldn't just order like one jacket in an extra large and one jacket in a 2X. You had to order 3 2Xs and 3 extra larges, and I didn't like that. So with the t-shirts, it's the same thing. I believe it was like half dozen. You have to order everything by the 6s or maybe full dozen. I didn't like that. If I just wanted to order 2 t-shirts, I couldn't do that. I had to order a whole 6 of whatever size, whatever color I was offering. Those were my downsides to Shockaware, but that t-shirt was cool. When I introduced it to my clients here at the store and I told them I'm transitioning from this blank t-shirt over to this one, this is what I'll be printing on, The transition was smooth because they were like, hey, cool, this t-shirt doesn't feel bad. It fits basically the same. I like it. So I did the same exact thing with this block shirt. I opened up the store, customers came in. I said, hey, I know you're used to buying these t-shirts from me. I'm planning on transitioning over to this t-shirt. Take a look, let me know what you think. So I give them the AS Color block shirt. They feel it, they touch it. The very first thing they all said was, whoa, this is way softer than this one. That to me, I was already sold. If they can tell just by touching it, that was a good thing. Now, the next thing was this t-shirt is not a thin shirt. It's soft, but it's not thin. When I say thin, I tested this t-shirt out in white also. This is my test on how I test out t-shirts. I have tattoos from my shoulders all the way down to the bottom of my stomach. If I can see my tattoos through that white t-shirt, that t-shirt is too thin for myself. I'm a big round guy. I don't want my titties showing in these t-shirts. So I try to find the t-shirts that doesn't show anything like that when you're wearing a light color shirt. When I'm talking about a white t-shirt, I need to make sure it's just a white t-shirt and you can't see nothing through that t-shirt. So that was a plus for myself. So it's not a thin t-shirt, but it is softer than what my customers are already used to. The collar's a little bit better. The fit's a little bit better. So for me, that's why I said this t-shirt is the best tubular t-shirt on the market, in my opinion. Through my testing, through actually testing it with my customers, this is something that I'll be moving towards in the near future. Once I sell everything in the store, everything will be printed on these AS Color block t-shirts moving forward. I have to get rid of the stock that I already have now that's already pre-printed. We'll be selling that stuff, and then everything moving forward will be printed on these AS Color block shirts. So let me get into the wash test results for you so you can check that stuff out. I'm not trying to sell you on this t-shirt. This is just what I'm using. I'm a little stoked that I found this t-shirt. Shout out to the homie Ken from I Can Do It Studios for putting me on. Like I said, I've been doing my own testing on this thing just to make sure it's something I want to offer my customers. Some of you guys might be into heavyweight t-shirts or boxy fitting t-shirts. This wouldn't be for you. Some of you guys might be into the thinner, soft, ring spun cotton fitted t-shirts. This might not be for you. This is kind of that in between where the fit is kind of like a generic fit. Like if you wear extra large, obviously you're gonna wear extra large in this t-shirt. I have a fat neck, so I like the collar to be fairly snug around my neck. This t-shirt holds up in the wash. This t-shirt delivers everything for me. But like I said, this t-shirt checks the boxes for me. This is what I'm choosing to use. You don't have to use the same thing that I use. I'm just sharing the information with something that I found and my testing process. I do this with every single t-shirt out there. Like I said, I need to make sure I know how these t-shirts hold up before I offer it to my customers. So let's get into the test results. This is the AS Color block, size extra large, side view, back view, side view, front view. This thing right here fits good. I like the way this fits. I like the way it actually lands right above my elbows. Sleeves feel good. Everything about this t-shirt feels good. A little close up of the neck. Once again, AS Color block. This is becoming one of my favorite t-shirts right here. This is a tubular shirt also. No side seams on this one. Fits good, feels good, soft cotton. I really like this one right here. All right, here it is right here. This is the AS Color block t-shirt after it's been washed and dried over 10 times. I think I'm on 11, might be on 12, not 100% sure. Let me give you a close-up of the collar. This is what the sleeves look like. Here's the other sleeve. And let me give you a little 360 spin. Side view, front view, other side view. This is what the length looks like. Sorry, I got black shorts on today, so you can't really see, but it's about like right here. This is what the t-shirt looks like. To me, this thing washes fairly good. Not too much shrinkage, and it has that same soft hand feel from when it was brand spanking new. All right, here's the AS Color block tee. This is the standard block shirt that's tubular. This one is not side seamed. This is their offering of a tubular t-shirt. Majority of the blank t-shirts that you buy now are tubular. This is AS Color's version. It's called the block. Armpit to armpit, 24 inches. Armpit to armpit, 24. This is a size extra large. Sleeves, 8 inches. And let's check the length. Length, 33 inches. This is a size extra large. This is the AS Color block shirt. 33 inches in length. Regular, standard, extra large block t-shirt. This is what it looks like, brand spanking new. Hasn't been washed, hasn't been anything, straight from the warehouse to here. This is what it's like, brand new. All right, so here we go. AS Color block t-shirt, size extra large, after it's been washed. I believe this shirt's been washed over 10 times. Kind of stopped counting after 10. I just kept putting it in there. But we'll measure this thing out for you guys. We're gonna go armpit to armpit. So armpit to armpit is 23 and a half. 23 and a half armpit to armpit. I don't remember what the measurements were when this t-shirt was brand new. Oh, let's do the sleeves. Sleeves are gonna be 7 3/4. So 7 3/4 for the sleeve, 23 and a half armpit to armpit. Let's do the length now. We're gonna use the board because I don't think my ruler is long enough. So length, 32 and a half. So 32 and a half on the length, 23 and a half armpit to armpit, 7 3/4 for the sleeves. Now I don't remember the measurements of the brand new t-shirt, but when I edit this video down, I'll figure all that out. But we'll see how they compare. All right, there you have it. The full wash test results for the AS Color block t-shirt. T-shirt does shrink, but it looks like it shrinks like a 1/2 inch in some areas and a 1/4 inch in other areas, which is cool. I kind of give myself a t-shirt shrinking a full inch, like 1 inch in width and 1 inch in length is fairly pretty good for myself. So for this thing to shrink up about a 1/2 inch, not too bad. Still fits good. The collar doesn't get all stretched out and all weird. Sleeves still fit pretty good, but it maintained its softness. So I'm a fan. So like I said, these are the t-shirts that I'm planning on using moving forward. Nothing against Shockaware, nothing against any other t-shirt that I've been using. It's just the nature of the business. I found a better blank t-shirt for me and my customers, so I'm going forward with it. I don't get paid by none of these blank t-shirt companies. Like I said, if AS Color wanted to pay me or they wanted to work with me, cool, I'm open to it. But for the sake of this video, nobody's paying me to say any of this stuff. I'm just sharing the information about my business and the blank t-shirts I'm planning on using. If you ever wanted to see any of the other wash test videos that I have, other blank t-shirts that I've tried, transfers I've tried, all you have to do is go to the YouTube search bar and type in Big Brando wash test. Every single wash test that I've ever done will pop up right there. You can watch them, check it out for yourself. This is kind of the same test that I do on everything. I just haven't did one in a while because I've been using the same t-shirt for a very long time until this one. And if you ever wanted to see the difference, come into my store when I'm open or from here, I'll show you what each t-shirt feels like. I can also show you what the AS Color Classic t-shirt feels like because that's one of my favorite t-shirts that has a side seam. That t-shirt right there is something I wear blank all the time because I like the way it fits and feels. I really like the way that one washes also. That one just has a higher price tag than this one. So if you ever wanted to see what these t-shirts feel like, come into the store when I'm here and I'll show you what each t-shirt feels like, what I use, what I like about them. That way you get a better understanding. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. If you have any questions about anything I spoke about, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you like in your t-shirts or what type of testing that you do for your t-shirts. And if you wanted to, follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.